Hello, Robert Schurman from ISO 15189 medlabmanuals.com, a division of Spinelex Solutions, with the next installment in the video series detailing and outlining the hundreds of documents, or hundreds of pages of documents rather, that is inclusive in the product 1000, and the value of these documents in this system is just amazing, actually. The teams, the number of personnel of medical laboratory technologists that are trained in Canada and Ontario, some of the strictest quality and safety laboratories in the world, as mandated by the Ontario government to be so. So this is just excellent. This is my parent company, Spinelex, so Spencer and Alexandra, that are my children and just mean the world to me. So I just want to go in today and go into the document control specifically and outline what document control and what is required in control documents. So you have to have your specific healthcare facility here, the logo, whatever you have. You have the manual, what it is, quality manual, which section it would be. You have the title. You have who it's prepared by, approved by, effective date that your quality team has approved it. There's another section of approval of documents. Revised date, if you have any revisions, you would have the document control procedures to dictate that, but this would be the revised date, so everybody knows what revision or version they are working on at all times. It must be the most up-to-date, and it is the quality team's responsibility to make sure that all staff are working on the most up-to-date document possible. So you would have the version number here. You have the file name in your electronic file, wherever that might be, and you have the ID, which always is a unique identifier for this specific document. This is just a procedure template, so it doesn't have a specific well, it does, but it's not on there because that's just a template. But if you look up here, the unique identifier for this template is right there. So as we zoom down again, you always have how many pages. You have to have the number of pages. You have to have if it's a draft or approved, and of course obligatory is the disclaimer or the specifics surrounding the documents. So any documents up here must be for references uses. The online copy on the file server must be considered the current document. So that comes important when you have an electronic manual, which is fine to use if you have PCs for staff, technologists, etc. to access the documents, the manual at all times. You need a specific number as pertaining to your facility of hard copy documents, manuals that are accessible if LAS is down or HIS is down. However, as it says, electronic copy, electronic manual is the easiest to update, and it's going to be the most updated version of every document in your QMS. And so you go through, it has the section, has the required sections, and this is just page 2 with it's in the header. The document's right in the header there, ready to go, and just to put in your specifics for your healthcare facility. And that's really all I wanted to do today, was just to detail each document specifics and what's required in ISO 15189 MedLab manual documents. So thank you for listening, and please visit us at www.iso15189medlabmanuals.com, home of the virtual lab manager. Take care.